Hi guys and welcome to JTech WP. In today's episode I'm reviewing a product called Pollywatch Glass Polish, and the reason I'm after this is because on my Apple Watch I've got several scratches. I bought this second hand on eBay. I thought it's about time I see if there's a way I can remove the scratches. Let's see what we think of the product. Looking at the watch, you can see there's quite a few scratches on the screen, especially sort of on the top left corner and the top right. Pollywatch makes several products. The one I'm using is the Pollywatch Glass product, which is the one that's recommended on Amazon, and it comes with a set of instructions, and you get 2 syringes, some cloths, 2 sets of abrasive pads, so you get the white and the pink pads, a wooden stick for applying pressure, and it comes with a rubber band, and it comes with a rubber end cap just so it's a bit more comfy in the palm of your wrist. First of all, slide off the rubber band, and then we're going to apply one of the bits of like the white. Effectively, it's kind of like a soft sandpaper, the abrasive material. So I tear off a strip of this, and then I'm going to put it on the wooden stick. Place the material over the stick, and then what we're going to do next is apply the rubber band to keep it in place. Slide the rubber band over, and you want to make sure it goes far enough down that the rubber band's going to be out of the way and not get caught. Add the other piece onto the square end. This keeps it more comfy in the hand. Open up the cleaning cloth packet, and then we're going to give the watch screen a quick wipe down with it to get rid of any fingerprints. Next, I grab the syringe with number 1 written on it, which is the repair one. This is like the heavier grade compound. So take the end cap off, give it a squirt. There's quite a big gap of air in it before the plunger moves, so I found it did move quite a long way, and then I've got a big squirt of stuff coming out. So apply a decent sized droplet onto the screen that you're going to repair. Make sure you put the cover back on, otherwise it will keep dribbling out of the syringe. And the angled edge should go flat against the screen, and then you start rubbing in the compound. So using up and down strokes. The guide recommended doing this for approximately 3 minutes, which is what I did on the first go, and then give the screen a clean. I used a soft cloth to wipe off the excess residue, and then I used the included cloth to polish up the screen to see how it looked after the first treatment. My first impressions were that it's not really done anything at all. So looking at it in the light, you can see the scratches are still clearly visible. I decided to go for another treatment, use maybe a bit more pressure this time on the stick. And again, no changes really. If anything, I've probably got more micro scratches than when I started. What I thought I'd try is using the finishing compound to see if that made any difference. So this is a softer material. I went through the polishing process, same as the first process really. You just applied a chemical, dry it, clean it, polish it, and the end result was not really what I was expecting. The adverts make it look really good. So that's it guys, Pollywatch, not very impressed. I'll put a link in below, but for me it didn't work. I spent quite a bit of time using the product on the watch and no real differences. If anything, it added more scratches than when I started. Pretty disappointed, but overall, you know, sometimes you buy things and they don't work out right. Well, that's it guys. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.